Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable notifications on lock screen in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable notifications on lock screen on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on System on left pane, then click on Notifications. Keep the notifications turned on and click the drop down menu here, and here you will find Show Notifications on the lock screen. By default it's enabled, and just click here to disable it, and I have unchecked, and now notifications on lock screen in Windows 11 computer is turned off or disabled. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.